Elungitshele ngegame yafana khuyibona kanjani?
Oh, igame yanamhlanje it was well organized, ne, but I was happy with the performance of wonke ama-player and I was happy ukuthi ucoach ukwazi ukugaya wonke ama-player in equal chance yabo. Even though like bengeke badlale bonke, but I was happy even ukuthi uRicardo Goss also got a chance to prove himself. Usipho got a chance to prove himself now. Sure.
Thank you mfowethu. So cela ungitshele looking at the starting lineups today. Likhona iplayer expectile ukuthi liqala umdlalo but actually azange uzolibona.
Yeah, like mina truly speaking, I was expecting ukuthi uMbokazi uzoqala igame, ne, but given the situation that was happening around him, ne, yeah, like mina I feel ukuthi as South Africans we shying away from the truth ukuthi by uHugo Bros utheni he needs to discipline the boy, and nathi as ama fans we need to protect uMbokazi in every way possible because every players were Pirates they reported in time for duty, but yeah, kwaba uye ayi-1 like his lame excuse was in missing in the flight. Yeah, but we need to be like honest ngalento le. Mina I was expecting him ukuthi he was gonna be given a chance. Yeah.
Thank you mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu. So ngicela ungitshele nge-man of the match yakho ya today. If unganikezwa amandla ukuthi ukhethe man of the match, iplayer ekudlalela kamnandi today ubani?
Oh, mina today I would single out ubani uKabini, the guy from ETS Galaxy.
Centre back
Yes. Yes. Pairing him with Usbisi, like he listened to all the instruction, and Usbisi he guided him as the senior player. Yabo. Mina I for one, I like Ukabini.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ngibonga kakhulu mfowethu. So ngicela ungitshele ne ukuthi ku AFCON njengoba soqala ukudlala nge-22 against Angola. Ibafana ibona iphelela kuphi?
Truly speaking, I'm giving South Africa up until the quarter final. Yeah, we can go up until the quarters, given the qualities that we have, the discipline and the organization, the way ngakhona.
Okay, you saying Ibafana ama chances ukuthi uyinika up to maybe quarter final. Which teams go AFCON ubona ngathi angayiphazamisa Ibafana ku AFCON?
Go AFCON, like going forward, ne, we have to look at Senegal, we have to look at Egypt. Even like in football, we can never say never, but the group yethu, like looking at the performance yeGhana namhlanje. Yeah.
Okay, mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu.
Sure.
Thank you.